Yo, let's just jump right into this, huh? Yes, I do listen to Robin. Because she jams.
Alright, we gotta stop.
Unintentional crotch shot. You're welcome. This was very weird. There we go. Power to the workers. Speed limit's 40, yo. 40. See, look, right there. 40. Tiger. All right, I'm going to meet Dan at work. He works at a nerd factory.
5'11", but can play 6 foot.
Oh, you got me right here, dude.
For Santos, speaking of local
I was getting
Long
the
Island
Marco
politician.
Rubio mixed
Yeah, well,
up.
this is it's a big difference. So there's some sex in there and with herself. I don't need to get into it.
What if you had to share a bed with your parents at the? But yeah, everything gets.
And so all the men's bodies were found in various states of grossness.
Dutch doors.
Weed smoking balcony. Because a car will get sideways, block both lanes, and then everybody's screwed.